Hi, I'm here with Lisa Villarreal, owner and CEO of LilyJack Furniture. Lisa, I wanted to know, what is the number one thing you want viewers to know about LilyJack?
We are really a company that tries to set ourselves apart from everyone else kind of in our sector of the business. And we've really put a big focus on that, especially over the last couple of years, separating ourselves from the rest of the pack, making ourselves different and focusing on the things that are really key to our company values, which is being very design driven.
Going off of that, what would you say does separate your products from those of your competitors?
So at the very beginning of the project, we are collaborating with the designers and really getting their input on what's important to them, how the pieces are going to be used, in what kind of an environment, so that we can really work through all of those design details so that we shorten the length of questions and production lead time, because we're trying to figure it out along the way. We put a painstaking process in place so that designers really feel that they're a part of the process and we're getting their details that they want at the end when they walk into the install. So that's a big part of I think what sets us apart.
How has LilyJack weathered or adapted to the COVID-19 pandemic, and what solutions or pivots might you have had along the way?
Some of the biggest issues we all faced was what was going on with freight and increases in cost, as well as delays in lead times and getting materials and getting containers. We've all been dealing with those issues, and they have been mounting and mounting throughout this entire time. So we really started to pivot and develop our Mexico facility and expand our production out of there to just really be able to give our clients another option. What can we do right here that we're not going to have to deal with some of those challenges? That's where we've pivoted to, is really more of that California and US manufacturing, as well as really our main focus, which is expanding our Mexico facility.
What sustainability practices has LilyJack put in place in their production?
For us, it was really important to come up with a plan. And since a lot of us were working from home, we had a little bit more time to really focus on what we were currently doing, really take an assessment of not only the materials we were purchasing ourselves for our own factories, but also our supply chain overseas, as well as domestically. So we really spent the year collecting all the data.
Can you tell me about some of LilyJack's latest product offerings?
We came up with a new collection, which is the West Coast collection. We were planning to launch it virtually during COVID, and then things were starting to get better and people were starting to open up. So we thought, well, let's hold on to it and let's see if maybe we can make it to a show. We are going to be showcasing it at HD, so we're excited that we made that decision to showcase there. So we will have the new collection there. Part of it has been launched on our website, just a portion of it, because we wanted to entice everyone to come and see it and sit in it and touch and feel it at the show. But that's been started. And we also worked on and have been working on expanding our facility to run case goods. So LilyJack has always made case goods, but people don't really think about us as much for the guest room case goods. So we wanted to provide that offering in Mexico. So we've been expanding our plant to be able to do that. And so that has started this year, and we've been actually shipping products for case good projects. So that's exciting.
Amazing. I can't wait to see it at the show. For more from LilyJack, head to lilyjack.com.